NP means noun phrase, VG means verbal group that contains the parts of verb, and VP is verbal phrase which contains both NP and VG. And all these comes under structural linguistics. We will learn all this in 3 videos, but in this video we only learn the NP, that is noun phrase. Now here we can see that from NP we can go to predeterminer, determiner, order, quantity, adjective phrase, class, prepositional phrase and noun. This is the structure of NP and we can go to all these from NP. Even we can go to another sentence. S2 means sentence 2. We can go to another sentence from that NP, but the sentence need to be included under that NP. Now from determiner we can go to possessive and article, and if that possessive noun contains apostrophe s, then we should divide it again in NP and apostrophe s. Now from adjective we can go to intensifier and adjective, and for prepositional phrase we need to divide the prepositional phrase into prep and NP, and from that NP we can go further again. Now we need to understand the rules of making structure. First, we need to identify the whole phrase, whether it is NP or VP, and what is the VG part. Then we need to mark all the parts of speeches. After that, we need to mark the conjunction. For conjunction, we need to remember that the predecessor and the successor of the conjunction must be of same kind. Therefore, we can structure it like this. From NP, we can go to NP conjunction NP. Adjective phrase, we need to divide adjective phrase into adjective conjunction adjective, and for sentence 1 we need to divide it into sentence 2 conjunction sentence 3. We will learn all these in details in our third video. And for the preposition, as I have already discussed before, that if there is preposition then we need to divide it from NP to NPPP, and from that PP to preposition and NP, and again from that NP we can go further. We will make it clear with an example. Here we can see that all the first 5 very ugly British ladies. Our rule number 1 was that we need to identify the whole phrase, whether it is NP or VP. But we can see this, it is noun phrase. All the first 5 very ugly British ladies. Now, according to rule number 2, we need to identify the parts of speeches. Here, ladies is noun, British is class, very ugly is adjective phrase. Now, very is intensifier, ugly is adjective. 5 is quantity, first is order. We know first, second, third is order. The is article which comes under determiner, and all is before the determiner, therefore it is predate. Now we will see the structure. From NP first predeterminer, and predeterminer is all. Then determiner, from the determiner article, and the is the article. Then order, first, quantity 5, adjective phrase, and from that adjective phrase intensifier, intensifier is very, and adjective is ugly. Then class British, and noun will come at last, that is ladies. Now we will learn how to make the structure in exercise book. John and his friend were in the room. Here John and his friend is NP, the room NP, and where in the room is VP. Now John is noun and conjunction, he is possessive, friend noun, the article room noun. So first we will do John and his friend. NP, then NP, conjunction, NP. N, John, conjunction is and, then determiner, possessive, his. N, friend. Then the room, NP, determiner, article, the, N, room. He is the best and brilliant student. He is something else. The best and brilliant student is NP. The article, best, adjective, and conjunction, brilliant, adjective, student, N. NP, determiner, article, the. Best and brilliant is adjective. Therefore, adjective phrase, then adjective, conjunction, adjective. First adjective is best, conjunction and, then adjective, brilliant. N, student. Rohan's father is highly responsible person. Rohan's father, NP, highly responsible person, NP. Is the verb. Is highly responsible person is VP. Now, Rohan's father. Rohan is noun, but there is apostrophe s in Rohan. Therefore, it will be possessive. Father, N, highly intensifier, responsible adjective, person, noun. So first, Rohan's father. NP, determiner, possessive, NP apostrophe s. N, Rohan. N, father. Then highly responsible person, NP, adjective phrase. Then intensifier, adjective. Intensifier is highly, adjective, responsible. N, person. There is a beautiful rose in the vase on the table. There is something else. A beautiful rose in the vase on the table is NP. A, article, beautiful, adjective, rose, noun. In preposition, the article, vase, noun. On preposition, the article, table, noun. Here, in and on are prepositions. Therefore, a beautiful rose in the vase, NP plus PP. Again, a beautiful rose in the vase on the table is NP plus PP. So first we will do the whole, a beautiful rose in the vase on the table. NP, NP, PP. Again, a beautiful rose in the vase. So an NP, PP. Det, article, A. Adjective phrase, adjective, beautiful. N, rose. PP is preposition and NP, therefore prep, NP. In, a determiner, article, the, in, vase. Now again, prep, NP. On is prep, determiner, article, the, in, table.